Absolutely everything about this weekend will change my life, yes. If I continue to do the practices and really take what I've learned and implement it into a regular structure, I think it has the ability to change the physical structure of my body, not only how I interact with myself, with the greater world around, as well as the universe and beyond.
So we need to separate ourselves from the ordinary in order to absorb the extraordinary quality of what it is that is being taught. The foundations happen in two parts. So the first part is the Min Jie Gong, and the second part is also quite unique, and that's the Min Jie stone needle therapy. And these are really two sides of the same coin. And what is that coin? What's the value of that coin? Why are we using it? I wanted to give people the foundations for their own self-healing.
This is the beginning.